How to get 70% off Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one option, grab on, just open it. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of Uber. Then you can book your ride and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. To grab any of the offer, the process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to 70% off Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.